Dear students, in this video we are solving exercise 3.3 problems. In that, find the values of unknowns, that is x, y, z we are finding. Here in the diagram x, y, z value we are finding. First of all, we are naming the quadrilateral first. Here we have the quadrilateral. We are naming for, that is P, Q, R, S and T. Here Q and R again producing, and here in the last we are naming as, that is T. So here only 50 angle they have given. So P angle they have given. So x, y, z value we are now finding. So first of all, P, Q, R, S is a parallelogram that we are writing. That is P, Q, R, S is a quadrilateral. It is having 4 sides. In that only P angle they have given, that is P is equal to 50. We are finding x value, y value and z value. Here see students, P value and this R value become equal. So see, R is divided into again 2 angles. See, it is a straight line. It is again divided. These are called as the adjacent angles. So here that is divided as SRQ and SRT. So only I am not telling that only R angle, because it is dividing again 2 angles. So that's why I have taken SRQ. That angle P is equal to angle SRQ. These are equal because in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal. That we have proved in our property. So SRQ become 50. See, SRQ become 50 now. One value we got, but Z value we don't want. We don't have Z value. So here QRT is a straight line. Straight line is having 180 degree. This angle we have 50 degree. So how to find the Z value? See, we know that SRQ, this angle plus SRT, this angle is equal to 180 degree. So SRT is Z angle, Z, that we have noted as Z. So SRQ we know that is 50 degree. We are finding the Z value, that is equal to 180 degree. So with that Z we have 50, means we are transposing 50 to that RHS side. So Z will become 180 minus 50, that is Z is equal to 130 we got. That first value we got as Z is equal to 130. This is 130. So again we are finding Q and see X and Y, means Q angle and S angle we are finding. So how we are finding? See, also we know that PQR plus SRQ, these 2 angles are called as the supplementary angles. So supplementary angles, sum of supplementary angles is equal to 180 degree, that we know. So see, PQR plus SRQ become is equal to 180 degree. We know SRQ, that is 50 degree. So PQR means X value we are finding. That X value I have put it, plus SRQ value is 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. We want X value only, means I am transposing 52 on the RHS side. So 180 minus 50 come. So X equal to, in 180 if you subtract 50, you got 130. So X value again we got as 130 only. Again see, X angle is equal to Y angle. Why they are equal? So in a parallelogram opposite angles are equal in measurement. So already we have found that X equal to 130 degree. So X equal to 130 we got. X is equal to Y because opposite angles are equal in parallelogram. That's why Y also we got as 130 degree. So X value is 130 degree and Y is also 130 and X also we got as 130 degree only. In the next diagram also they are asked for the X, Y, Z value. So here first of all we are naming the parallelogram. So PQRS is a parallelogram. So O is the point of intersection. So here PQRS is a parallelogram. Angle PSO already they have given, that is 30 degree. PSO 30 degree they have given. We are finding X, Y and Z value. See here students, POS it is a right angle triangle. So here it is 30 degree already they have given. Means what is the value of X here? It is right angle, means X will be 90 degree. So first value we got as X equal to 90 because POS it is a right angle triangle. So in a triangle POSC, X already we have found, means we are finding Y value. So in triangle POS only X and Y are there. So angle X plus angle Y plus angle 30 is equal to 180 degree. Means in a triangle the sum of three angles will be 180 degree. So angle plus X, angle Y and angle 30 is equal to 180 degree. Already we found that X equal to 90 degree plus Y we are finding, means we are keeping as it is, plus 30. So this angle we are adding is equal to 180 degree. So 90 plus 30 become 120. Y keep as it is equal to 180 degree. So with that Y 120 is there, we are removing that 130, means we are transposing 120 to RHS side. So Y is equal to 180 minus 120. In 180 if you subtract 120 you got 60, means Y value you got as 60 degree. This is 90, this is 60. So see here, angle Y and angle Z. See towards this, angle Y and angle Z become equal. Why? Because they are alternate angles. Here it is Y is the person, here he is standing. When he cross the road, when he cross the highway and come to this point, means these two angles become alternate angles. They are equal in measurement. So already we have Y is equal to 60, means Z also becomes 60 because X, Y and Z becomes alternate angles. They are in equal measurement. So X value we got as 90 degree, Y angle we got 60 and Z we got 60 also. So 8th one, the following figures guns and runs are parallelogram. Find X and Y value they are given. So here it is a parallelogram. Guns is a parallelogram, GUNS. Here GU value given, that is 3Y minus 1. SN value is 26. SG value is 3X and UN value is 18. So guns is a parallelogram. I have written GS is equal to UN or NU and GU is equal to SN because in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal in length. That we have proved in a property. So in a parallelogram opposite sides are equal in length. So GS become is equal to UN. So GS we have 3X, UN we have 18. We find X value. We are transposing to 3 to the RHS side, it becomes in the denominator. So 3 ones are 3, 6 is 18, means X value we got as 6. Again GU is equal to SN. GU is equal to SN. GU value we have 3Y minus 1 is equal to SN value we have 26. So we are finding Y value, means other quantities we are transposing to the RHS side. First of all minus 1. So 3Y you have to keep as it is equal to 26. Minus 1 you transpose to the RHS side, it becomes plus 1. 26 plus 1 is equal to 27. Again with that Y we have multiplication, means if you transpose to the RHS side means it becomes in the denominator, that is 27 upon 3. So Y value will be 9. 3 ones are 3 nines are. So X value is 6 and Y value is 9 we got. Students, again runs is a parallelogram. RUNS is a parallelogram. In that O is the point of intersection, we have taken RUNS is a parallelogram. O is the point of intersection. So OR is equal to ON and OS become is equal to OU, because in a parallelogram if the diagonals bisect each other. So here SU and N are the diagonals. So they bisect each other means, so this RO is equal to ON. This RN diagonal become, they divides by equally. They divides equally means they bisect each other. So again in SU diagonal, SO become OU. They bisect each other. So these two become equal and these two become equal. So here see, OS is equal to OU. OS value is 20 and OU we have Y plus 7. Here Y value we are finding. So we are transposing 7 to this side, means Y is equal to 20 minus 7. Y value we got as 13. So here once value we got as Y is equal to 13. So again OR is equal to ON. OR is equal to ON. OR is 16 is equal to ON is X plus Y. So put the value of Y. So 16 is equal to X, keep as it is. We are finding the X value, plus Y value is 13. So we are finding X value means we are transposing 13 to this side, means it becomes minus 13. So 16 minus 30 is equal to 3. That X value we got as 3 and Y value we got as 13.